Hi and welcome back to another Data Hub training video on our Data Hub training course. In this video we're going to be briefly discussing the columns argument of our Google Sheet formulas. So we'll just hop in right here in A1 here. Like usual, we'll go ahead and start with SL underscore and we'll use raw orders again. We've talked a little bit about venue selector. For our date range, we'll just use last month. And then now we're to the columns argument. So if you scroll down in these Google Sheet formulas, there is a columns section of this drop-down that kind of gives a few examples of some options, like order ID, venue order ID type, etc., etc. And I want to show where you could find a complete list of these columns. If you're wondering, hey, I'm looking at the raw orders, what could I look at? If we come over here to the data dictionary, which you can find in this button on the sidebar, if I just type in orders, if I can control F and just look for orders, really quickly I can look exactly at the orders, and this has every single column that I would want, right? So here they are, complete list. If we were looking at I don't know, campaign performance or campaigns, same deal. I could search for that and I can immediately find all of the columns that are in that specific formula, right? Again, this is the data dictionary. Come over here to column descriptions. You can find whatever you want. So I'll close that for now. Something also very important is if I include no columns, I'm going to get, it's going to return all of them. So I'll just close the sidebar here. It includes all of them. Now let's say I just want a few of them. This is how I would do that. In the formula, I'll use a quotation, and then let's just include order ID, venue ID, and let's just say I want to look at created, timestamp, and type. I'm just choosing some random ones here. I close that with another quotation mark, and I just click enter. And I'm just going to get back those columns, right? So that's really how the columns work. Very simple. You include whatever you want. If you leave it blank, it's going to give you all of them, right? So these are the columns we're looking for in the last month with this venue selector or this marketplace, right? So hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, let us know, and we're happy to help. See you in the next video.